Hi, I'm Annette from PartyWow, and today I want to show you something from our Sesame Street party range. Today we've got the room decorating kit, which is 10 pieces. You get one poster, which is 14 inches, 4 cutouts, which are 11 inches each, 2 table centerpieces, 9 inches each, 2 honeycomb decorations, which are 12 inches each, and 1 paper garland, which is 12 foot. We'll just open this up and have a look. So this would be the paper garland. Try to display everything as much as I can. So basically, just peg it up or tape it up, whatever is good for what you've got. This one is the 12 foot long, so I won't do it the whole length. You'll basically get the idea. Then we've got the honeycomb balls. So once again, these have a double-sided tape on them. So I won't tape these ones. I'll just give them a peg, which is kind of a good idea if you do want to reuse the balls. Just peg them together. And there's 2 of those. Okay, then we've got the 2 table decorations, so they just slot into each other. Like that. And these are some cutouts. We've got Abby Cadabby, Big Bird, Elmo, and Cookie Monster. And then a cardboard banner that says Happy First Birthday. Doesn't need to be put up if you didn't want it. It's double-sided, so it can hang if you like. So if you have any more questions about any of these items from the decorating kit or anything else in our Sesame Street range,